How to pin a comment in Facebook post. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to pin your comment or Facebook post but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. You can tap on Facebook like this and then Facebook will be launched on your very mobile device. After Facebook is launched on your very mobile device, now you can go to the very post in which you would like to just pin down the comment on. So after you go to the very post, now you can tap on any of the comment like this, and after you tap on any of the comment like this, now you have to find the option of pinning down the comment. So if you find the option of pinning down the comment like this directly, it's nice. But if you do not find the very option of pinning down the comment, what you can do is you have to update your very application for this, because for this, first of all, you have to get the newest version of the Facebook. You have to tap on Facebook like this, go to the I like option on the top, and then after that you can go to the option of app details in store. After tapping on the option of app details in store, if you see the option of update there, you can update it. But even after updating you do not find the option, you can just go to the option of developer contact on your Facebook and send a message to the developer regarding the pinning option on the Facebook, and this way your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.